Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Anliana. I am from class 7B and my student number is 222318000 and 2. Here I will present my research proposal and the title is Improving Listening Ability of 7th grade students at MTSN 4 Pandeglang through English songs using the Reso application. Next slide. Chapter 1. Research Background. This research will be conducted on 7th grade students at MTSN 4 Pandeglang. The reason for the research is to gather information and find out the influence of the media in development of listening by using the Reso application in improving student listening skills. Research question: how to improve student listening skills through English songs using the Reso application? Research objectives. The objective in this research is to find out the improvement of student listening skills ability through English song using the Reso application. Research significance. The benefits of this study are divided into two, namely theoretical and practically. For theoretical, the first is for knowledge developing in listening and to add scientific studies in listening. And for practically, benefits for students are to improve student ability in listening because this research can find out how far the students improvement in listening using Reso application. Benefits for the writer is the writer got the information related to students' improvement in listening by using Reso application and also aiding the writer about listening by using Reso application. Next slide. Chapter 2. The definition of listening. According to Mustafa, Sefik, and friends, listening skills is regarded as the most important outcome of early language teaching, and songs are regarded as one of the best ways for practicing and developing the listening skills of especially young learners. The next is elements of listening. According to Shuking Awful, said that there are 4 elements of listening, namely ability to focus, general understanding, listening for details, and accuracy of answer. The next is types of listening. Listening skills, however, is not easy to master. There are many types of listening to know before somebody wants to learn the skill. According to Michelle Ross, those are intensive, selective, interactive, extensive, responsive, and autonomous listening. The concept of Reso. Reso is a music streaming application like Spotify, Joox, and Apple Music. Reso main function is to listen to music. There are various types of music that can be selected according to the wishes of the user. Reso also offers music recommendation according to preference of its user. In this study, listening skills relates on the independent variable Reso application, especially listening songs by using the application. The next is the concept of phoneme words. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound which is significant in a language. One of the set of speech sound in any given language that serve to distinguish one word from another. A phoneme may consist of several phonetically distinct articulations. And the conceptual framework. In this conceptual framework, the writer was going to do treatment. The writer gave students a song to listening and suggest students to choose the correct answer. The next slide. For chapter 3, the first is research design. This research was conducted in pre-experimental design using quantitative approach, and research site and participant all 8 grade students at MTSN 4 Pandeglang. And the third is data collecting technique. For data collection was using tests in this experimental research. The writer provide free test and post test. And for data analysis technique, the data was using following steps. The first is calculating the mean of pre-test score and post-test score. The second is calculating the percentage of increasing achievement. And the third is calculating the significance differences between the students pre-test and post-test. And the last is calculating the test of pre-test and post-test score to find out the difference between them. I think that's enough for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.